Leadership means to me being proud of who you are and standing up for yourself and others. And I'm at the Cape York Institute Leadership Academy Skills to Lead workshop. One of the skills that I've learned and I'm proud of is learning my values to become a better person and leader for myself and others.
Cape York Institute Leadership Academy Skills to Lead workshop has been pretty positive. Good key thing that Auntie Flory said last week or a week before was put a hand up instead of getting a hand out. I'm really looking into that, and I've been using that saying for me and personally. Personally it means a lot coming from a community, Cape York, and that saying it goes a long way, and it's just breaking that cycle really.
The Cape York Leadership Academy Skills to Lead program is a 3-part workshop of us working with First Nation youth on building capability, empowering voice and confidence, and working through community leadership.
We did a lot of icebreakers to get to know all the people, and in the end I just feel a bit better to talk, I guess, in the conversations.
Coming into this workshop, I'd say I wouldn't have any doubts or anything. Just always bring a positive mindset for me. It helps me better myself and understand every questions that have been told towards me and that.
So when I talk about leadership and becoming a strong woman, I would say my mum, because she's just a strong woman and raising us and helping me and I guess supporting me through everything I do. And Kirsty, who is the acting CEO of Cape York Partnerships, she is like, I would say, my second mum. She's had my back forever. She helps me with anything, and yeah, she just supports me as well.
My role models would be my brother, Carl Adams, as a worker for you guys. I've been by his side from when I've been yay high, a little youngling.
So over the last couple of weeks, I've been seeing a great, significant growth in our young people that have been participating in our workshops.
I definitely encourage everyone, if the next program that comes about, to apply for the CYILA Leadership Skills Program.
I would recommend this for anyone just because I think it's a really good program, a good workshop. It's interactive and you just learn so much.
The key thing for everyone to take in is put that hand up instead of getting a hand out.